Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to clean up your Gmail inbox fast. To free up storage and keep your Gmail organized, follow these steps to delete old or unnecessary email. 1. Delete older emails using the search bar. In the Gmail search bar, type older than 1 year, for example. This will allow all the emails older than 1 year. You can also use the time frame such as older than 6 months or 6 years, etc. Select the emails, then click all conversations that match this search. Then click delete icon to remove them. The second method is to delete emails in the promotions and social tabs. Click on the promotions tab in Gmail and review all the emails, and if there's nothing important, just click select all or conversations in promotions at the top. Then click on delete icon to remove them. Before deleting, double check to ensure not important emails are in these tabs, especially if you haven't reviewed them in a while. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.